Hello children, class 6 to 11 students. Today is day 9 of our spoken English classes, and under the topic vocabulary, we'll do informal words and formal words today. So what are formal words? Formal words are the words which we speak when we speak to elders or when we are not talking to our friends. Informal words are the words which we can talk to our friends or young ones, younger people, like that. Formal words are used with elders, our teachers, and whenever we use formal words, it always makes our language rich and refined. It makes our language impressive. It makes us appear more intelligent. Right, children? So, instead of using these informal words, if you use the formal words, then your language will appear very rich and refined. तो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि हम इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स की जगह अपने डेली यूज में भी फॉर्मल वर्ड्स बोलें, सो दैट वी अपीयर आवर लैंग्वेज अपीयर टू बी इम्प्रेसिव, रिफाइंड एंड वेरी रिच, एंड पीपल विल say that you have a command on your language. Okay children, so let us take up the informal words which we should avoid. Instead of informal words, we should use formal words. Like tell me something. उसको आप कह सकते हैं inform. Tell की जगह आप word use कर सकते हैं inform me. Tell me, मुझे बताओ, inform me का same मतलब है, but the word becomes more formal, right? Like we say use. So you can also, instead of use, you can say consume. Use this milk, तो हम कह सकते हैं consume this milk. Use these grocery items, consume these grocery items. Right children? Go. Go is when you ask somebody to leave. Then you can also say, instead of go, you can say depart. Depart from my room. That depart from a place. Instead of saying go from a place, you can say depart. Sorry. Instead of using word sorry, you can say I apologize. I apologize. To start something, instead of start, we can say commence. When is the class? When is the class going to commence? When will the show commence? मीन्स कब स्टार्ट होगा कहने की बजाय आप बोल सकते हैं commence. Ask is enquire. Go and ask something from that counter. So go and enquire something from that counter. Again, there is a word called help. So he is helping his father in his business. तो हम कह सकते हैं help की जगह assist. Go and assist your mother in her work. In kitchen. Makeup. अब makeup है stories. Makeup यहाँ पे not the makeup which we put on face, that is for stories. So makeup stories means to fabricate only stories. To fabricate. Fabricate होता है जैसे हम कहते हैं कहानियाँ बनाना. कहानियाँ बनाना उसको हम कह सकते हैं fabricate. Don't fabricate stories. Don't make up stories. तो fabricate is that word. Then we have give up. तो quit. Give up, quit. Don't give up कहते हैं, मत उम्मीद मत छोड़ो. So don't quit. Okay, I'm going to give up. I'm going to quit. Quit, give up. Check. Another word for check, which is formal, is verify. Check this work or verify the work. Check this account. Verify the account. Then another word is get. Get की जगह आप receive कर सकते हैं. Okay? Go and get your check. Go and receive your check. Go and get your prize. Go and receive your prize. Old. यहाँ पे people की बात हो रही है, लोगों की. Not old book. उसको आप elderly book नहीं कह सकते. I'm talking about people here. Old. तो old को आप बूढ़े कहने की बजाय बुजुर्ग कह सकते हैं. Elderly. Old, instead of old, you can use words elderly. तो आप अगर सारे इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स की जगह फॉर्मल वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे विद इन दिस usage, within little time your English will be very impressive. Then there is a word called say, express. Bolo to express karo. Come in, instead of saying come in you can say enter. Instead of afraid you can use word fearful. Instead of bring you can say fetch. Bring a glass of water. So you can say fetch me a glass of water. Wrong. Instead of saying wrong, you can say it's not correct. It is incorrect. That appears good. Wrong. Incorrect. Then it is go up. That is increase. To do something more. Go up. Increase. In the end. Finally. Lucky. Fortunate. Smart, you can use intelligent. At first, जहाँ पे भी आपको at first use करना है, you can always use the word initially. शुरुआत में initially. Then mad. Instead of mad, you can say insane. Anybody getting mad, what word can you use in place of mad? That is insane. Then we have a word called cheap. हम कहते हैं ये cheap product है या ये cheap article है. So you can say it is inexpensive. So this cheap has to do with the value. ये पैसे से जब लेना देना हो तब कह सकते हैं. Inexpensive, कीमती नहीं हो जो. Expensive which is costly. In लगा दिया तो opposite हो गया. Inexpensive, तो cheap की जगह आप inexpensive. ऐसे bad, हम कहते हैं bad. तो bad word appears to be little bit informal and rude. तो आप उसको not good कह सकते हैं. सेम मतलब है लेकिन it appears to be good. Rude नहीं लगता. Right, you can say correct. Let, you can say allow. Let me go, allow me to go. Let me give you this, allow me to give you this. Let, allow. Cancel, call off. The meeting is cancel. Meeting is call off. तो called off कर सकते हैं आप. Quarrel, fall out. Two brothers, they were quarreling. So two brothers fell out. They quarreled. I had a fallout with him. Quarrel with him. And for the word like round, you can use circular. For the word like round, which is informal, you can say circular, which becomes informal. And then we have build. So instead of build, you can say construct. Build, construct. Okay? Wait for. Instead of wait for, you can say word await. Wait for. He was awaiting for. Wait for, you can say await. You are awaited. Means we are waiting for you. End. You can use terminate. Let us end this matter. You can say let us terminate this matter. Ask for seat, like. So you can say request. Ask for something, that is request for something. Need. Need is again request. There is a need of something, so you can say require. It is require. Need, require. R-E-Q-U-I-R-E. So 35th word is need, and instead of need you can use require. Deal with. I cannot deal with this fight. I cannot handle this fight. I cannot deal with this matter. I cannot handle this matter. Like book. We book tickets. So instead of booking tickets, you can say, have you reserved the tickets? Throw away. Instead of throwing away, you can say discard. Throw away, discard. Identify, to discern. Identify, to discern, to know something, to identify, to understand something, how to understand something, how do you identify something. So you can say how do you discern something. Talk about is discuss. Somebody says, let us talk about this. So you should say, instead of talking about, you can say, let us discuss. Imagine, envisage, imagine, envisage, envisage, right? Then you have ease, facilitate, ease, ease क्या है? आसानी. So to facilitate something, okay? Come after, when you are going after something. Follow, come after, follow. Break, break into 2 or 3 pieces. So you can say disintegrate, disintegrate. Integrate is to join, disintegrate is to break. Chance, opportunity, chance, opportunity. Lack, lack, that is deficiency. Deficiency means lack of something, किसी चीज की कमी. Lack, instead of lack you can use deficiency. Show, show your talent or show the trick or show the method. You can say demonstrate, demonstrate. Instead of showing you can say demonstrate. Explain, elucidate. कुछ चीज explain करने को कहेंगे तो you can always use this word elucidate. To throw out something, to eject something. Throw it out of your mouth, eject it from your mouth. Seem, it appears, ऐसा लगना, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है. Seem, to appear something. Climb, ascend, ascend. Beat up, किसी को मारना. Assault, he was beaten up, he was assaulted. So assault word you can use. Stop, seize, stop, seize. To stop something, to seize something. Big, instead of big you can say enormous, massive. All these words are better than big. Enormous, massive. Somebody is very friendly to you, you can say amiable, amiable. Amiable means he is very friendly, he is very amiable to me. You can always say amiable instead of friendly. To expect, to anticipate, to desire, to want, anticipate. Choose, settle for. Choose a pen, you settle for a pen. Connect, link up. Connect to me today at 5 o'clock on phone. So you link up with me at 5 o'clock on phone. Consult, that is refer. Okay? Consult, to consider, to think about, to consider. Consult, refer. And want, I want this, I desire for this. We may not use desire everywhere where we use want, but many places we can use, instead of wanting something, desire. I desire for a special drink. I want a drink, you can say I desire to drink ruafza, like this. So you can use some places, it also looks very refined words. So children, my dear children, these 60 words I have given you. Instead of the first line speaking all informal words, you have to speak formal words to show that you have a knowledge of English and you are master of the language. If you use these words, you will definitely see the difference in your spoken English. So please use them in your English, and you can also try to identify the syllable of the words. इन्हीं 60 words के 120 words हो गए. 60 words I have given you, formal, informal, 120 words हो गए. So you can also do the exercise of finding out the syllable in the words, whether it is one syllable word, two syllable, tri-syllable or polysyllable words. वो भी काम आप कर सकते हो, syllable and stress. So you will definitely know how to speak these words. Thank you. Practice it and have a good day. Be happy.